Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are going to start a new exercise. So guys, first of all I want to say please subscribe and share the video, subscribe my channel. So guys, today we are going to make these model in tutorial. So first of all we are starting from base of 63 and 100. So let's start. Extrude of 63 and 100 to 12 height and R25. Okay, let's start. Top plane. R25, which we are make through fillet. Sorry. Sketching this face, make circle of 12 select one, control select two, make them equal and maximum dimension of 12. Okay, then sketch is fully defined and do extrude cut. Okay, done. Now we have to make this one. Okay, this is a circle of dia 50 and this one is circle of dia 25. Okay, and this is from bottom to center of circle is 90. Okay, let's sketch on this plane, this face. This is 90. Okay. Okay, then this is dia 50. Select this and control this, make tangent, select this, control this, control this, make tangent, trim the extra line. Okay, now exit sketch and extrude this one for 10 mm. Extrude, select this, this is length is this length is given this is not defined. Okay, this is 44. This is 44. Okay, done. Okay, sketch 25 in the center. Okay, then make this one from this height. This is 90 plus 48 is 90 plus 48 138 or we can make it from extrude or from 138 or we can extrude from the center face. We can make it from here, and by taking plane on 138 we can extrude downward. Okay, there is many methods to make the model. So let me take this one is 12 plus 12 plus 3 and 12 plus 3. This is 27. Okay, please make center line here. Okay, and what is the height? Height is 48 from center. This this center. So we have to take 48. Okay, guys, this is from 6 mm away from the face. So we have to do extrude from offset 6 mm. Okay, this one. Okay guys, okay, we have make this to 32 mm long. Okay, 32, done. We have many methods to make this extrude, and now we have to do cut of 3M to this face. Okay, this is, I think, through wall from here to where. Okay, let extrude, take center line, okay, 3M, done. Extrude cut, okay, done, no issue. And now this one is balanced. Now we have to make this. So click on front right plane. This is in center. Okay, let's sketch from this point to this point. Okay, okay, we have to extrude 10 mm both sides. And not okay, because it would be zero thickness. Where it would be zero thickness? Okay, sorry. Okay, it is done. Then this is balance. No merge in the hole, in the round part. So we have to select this portion and sketch and convert entities, and nothing to do, just up to surface select this one. Okay, this is must completely merge. Okay, now one hole is pending for this one. This is 12 dia and 16 from 12. Okay, let's sketch. Make dia 12 hole. From side and 12 from upper. Okay, 12, 16, done. Okay guys, and make extrude cut. Okay guys, this is the model we have make today in the SolidWorks. And guys, if you want to learn more tutorials about SolidWorks, please share and subscribe my channel. And so thanks for watching the video, and watching all other videos which I am posting on my YouTube channel, which is very helpful for learning SolidWorks and AutoCAD tutorials. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Okay.